Okay, so we'll be learning about meditation. This is the only position you can sit during position or during meditation, and also you can either lie down. Meet my friend Manny. We'll be meditating together with Manny. Okay, this is my house plant. Okay, so you want to meditate, you must sit down like this. Okay, so that you can make sure that your spinal cord is aligned, it is straight. This is the way to sit during meditation when you are activating your 7 chakras. So this is the only way, or you make sure you lay using your back. Okay, you lay kwa kitanda, because the reason is to why you have to make sure your spinal cord is straight. Either you sit down like this or you lay down, is because you must balance the chakras: the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and also the crown chakra. They must be aligned. Okay, I will teach about the chakras tomorrow. What are chakras used for, and why do we have to balance our chakras? Sawa sawa. So when you are in this position, your work is to breathe in and out. Sawa, kazi yako ni ku breathe in and out, so you have to focus on breathing in through the nose and releasing with the mouth. Okay, you breathe in into your stomach, into your chest, and then you release into your stomach, into your chest, and then you release. Okay, that is the most simplest way to meditate. Okay, and when you do that, you are able to shut your mind, because most of the time when we are meditating, the reason as to why you're meditating is because you're supposed to be shutting your mind. You want to be calm, you want to call in, you want to release, you want to heal. Okay, and when you breathe in and out during that 1 hour session of meditation, you are able to activate your soul, the God inside you, and the God inside you is able to teach you something about yourself. Okay, if you're having a challenge in your life that you're not able to deal with, you can ask the God inside you during meditation. I'm really sorry for the noise. Sawa sawa. So breathing in and out. Okay, if you're not able to shut your mind when you breathe in into your stomach, into your chest, you count into your mind, you count 1 2 3 4, and then you release. 1 2 3 4. Sawa sawa, tuko pamoja. If you have not understood anything, please comment down below. That is the simplest way to meditate. If you want me to do more videos, just recommend. If you have a question, just ask. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be learning about the chakras and why we have to balance our chakras during meditation. I love you guys. Take care. Every day a video, and thank you so much for the subscribers. Namsi watch, I'm subscribe. Please don't watch and don't unsubscribe. Okay. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Ciao.